is a young, fresh and hilarious love story of Anya and Raghu. Anya Shroff, cute but bratty, daring but demanding, pretty but spoilt, and only 18 but very, very rich. Anya's life revolves around clothes, cars, credit cards, boyfriends and expensive holidays. She thinks money can buy her the world, and the world is exactly what she wants. And if given a wish, Anya doesn't even know what to ask for.
मैं क्या मांगू? मेरे पास तो सब कुछ है.
But fate has something else in store for Anya.
अब दोनों पागल हो गए हैं क्या? Are you saying मैं ये कॉइन इस पानी में फेंकूं और ये कहूं कि मेरा नाम, पैसा, ब्यूटी सब कुछ मुझसे छिन जाए?
A sudden turn of events and an unwanted wish coming true brings Anya face to face with a new world.
No! वो मेरी wish नहीं है!
Anya suddenly loses it all the money and power. She has to let go of all her luxuries and lead a normal life.
न केवल तुम्हारे क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, लेकिन हमारे सारे अकाउंट्स फ्रीज हो चुके हैं। अब तक तो हमारा घर भी सील हो चुका होगा। हम सड़क पर आ गए हैं।
After having lost money, fame and power, the heiress of the Shroff family is forced to hide undercover in a village called Devri Nadi ke Teer. Anya lands up in Devri Nadi ke Teer with GD, her authoritative grandmother, Debbie, her alcoholic mother,
कोई पीने के लिए कुछ देगा? आज तो पानी भी चलेगा.
and Isha, her insecure and jealous elder sister. In Devri Nadi ke Teer, Anya bumps into Raghu, a simple farmer born and brought up in the village. Hard work and honesty means everything to him.
हमारे साल भर की मेहनत का फल, हमारे खून पसीने की कमाई है ये, पेट की भूख है ये, गांव के बच्चों की लिखाई पढ़ाई है ये गन्ना.
Raghu lives a peaceful life with his idealistic mother Janki, from whom he has inherited all his values and culture. His closest friend is Bhola, a Pandit son who has taken a vow to be a brahmachari all his life. Anya is unable to adjust herself in the village. She attempts to run away several times, only to be brought back by Raghu. The village witnesses a light, funny and eventful war between idealisms and behavior of the city on one side and clash of traditions and values on the other. Here starts the journey of a girl who discovers the true meaning of life, love and relationships and being an Indian, as there is a clash of two cultures and two people from different walks of life. This war between Anya and Raghu continues as Anya eventually finds herself adjusting to the village and attempts to win over the people of Devri Nadi ke Teer. This transformation in Anya helps Raghu realize his love for her. However, Anya fails to see Raghu's love and instead fixes his marriage with Gehna, the beautiful daughter of the village Sarpanch or mayor and Raghu's childhood friend. Raghu has to accept Gehna, and he makes a promise he can never break. But just like old times, Raghu has to once again run after Anya to protect her as she flees to Mumbai to look for GD. In the city, Anya meets Rahul Mittal and a new relationship blossoms. Jab Love Hua is about love. Jab Love Hua is about fun. Jab Love Hua is about Anya and Raghu. It will give you one more reason to come, fall in love. It makes you laugh just when you're about to cry. What happens when Raghu can't hide his love for Anya any longer? What happens when the simple village boy and the bratty city girl come together? Kya hua? Jab love hua.
जब हुआ, जब लव हुआ.